Ever wondered what fruits can help cleanse your body of toxins? In our daily lives, we often consume food and beverages that can introduce harmful substances into our system. Thankfully, Mother Nature provides us with an abundance of fruits, packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. These gifts of nature can help detoxify our bodies, ensuring we maintain optimal health. From the humble apple to the exotic pineapple, these fruits play a crucial role in our well-being. Today we'll explore 5 fruits that are particularly effective in promoting body cleansing. First on our list, we have lemons. This vibrant citrus fruit is much more than a garnish for your iced tea. It's a mighty detoxifier packed to the brim with benefits for your body. For starters, lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a pivotal role in transforming toxins into digestible material. This makes lemons a fantastic ally in the battle against built-up toxins. But the wonders of lemons don't stop there. The acidity of lemons actually mirrors the digestive juices found in the stomach, helping to trick the liver into producing bile. This aids in moving food throughout your body and gastrointestinal tract smoothly, promoting overall digestion. What's more, this acidity helps protect your liver, an organ that's essential for detoxification. So whether your stomach is feeling a little sluggish or you're just looking to give your body a healthy boost, don't underestimate the power of lemons. So remember to add a squeeze of lemon to your water or tea for a detoxifying boost. Next up, we have apples. Often cherished for their sweet, crunchy appeal, apples offer more than just a delightful snack. They wield a powerful arsenal of nutrients, chief among them being fiber. This humble nutrient is a silent worker, diligently aiding digestion and facilitating the removal of toxins from your body. But that's not all. Apples also contain a special type of fiber known as pectin. Now, pectin is a bit of a superhero in the fiber world. It has a knack for latching onto heavy metals and harmful additives, effectively escorting them out of your system. So, if you've been feeling a bit sluggish or just not quite yourself, an apple might be just what you need. Remember, while they're great on their own, apples can also be blended into a refreshing smoothie or mixed into a hearty salad for a cleansing boost. An apple a day could indeed keep the doctor away by helping to cleanse your body. Third on our list, we have pineapples. Now, these tropical delights are not only tasty, but also a treasure trove of health benefits, especially for your digestive system. Pineapples are packed with a unique enzyme known as bromelain. This enzyme aids in breaking down proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. It also helps cleanse your colon, getting rid of waste and toxins that could potentially harm your body. Moreover, pineapples boast a high water content. This is incredibly beneficial for flushing out toxins from your body. When you consume pineapples, you're not just hydrating your body, but also helping it get rid of unwanted substances. So the next time you're feeling a bit sluggish or your digestive system feels out of sync, consider reaching for a juicy, ripe pineapple. Both your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. A slice of pineapple can do much more than just satisfy your sweet tooth. Now that we've looked at these amazing fruits, it's clear that nature has provided us with some powerful tools for body cleansing. The vibrant lemons, the crisp apples, and the tropical pineapples each have their unique roles in detoxifying our bodies. Starting with lemons, these citrus delights are not just refreshing, but also a rich source of vitamin C. They assist in flushing out toxins, enhancing digestion, and boosting our immune system. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning can kickstart a day of healthful living. Next, we delved into the world of apples. Remember the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, it's rooted in truth. Apples, with their high fiber content and a wealth of antioxidants, aid in cleansing our digestive system and fighting off harmful free radicals. And then, we explored pineapples. Beyond their sweet and tangy flavor, pineapples are packed with bromelain, a unique enzyme that supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps our body cleanse itself more efficiently. Incorporating these fruits into our diets can be as simple as enjoying them as snacks, blending them into smoothies, or adding them to our meals. Each of these fruits offers a delicious and natural way to help cleanse our bodies, improve our health, and make us feel refreshed and rejuvenated. So next time your body feels weighed down by toxins, reach for one of these fruits and give your body a natural cleanse it deserves.